If you're struggling to calculate batch sizes either in weight or percentage, then hopefully this video will help. Before we get to our calculator, I'll quickly explain how we do the sums so that you can actually do them yourself if you want to. Converting weight to a percentage, say you have 250 grams of soap base and you have a 255 gram total batch. That includes the other ingredients. You would do the weight of the ingredient, divide the total batch weight, and then times that by 100. So if this was a 250 gram batch, you would do 250, divide the 255 gram batch, and then times that by 100, which gives you a soap base percentage of 98%. Then say you have your formula all in percentages adding up to 100, but you want to convert that to a specific weight batch. All you need to do for each ingredient is move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 98% soap base would equal 0.98, then times that by your desired batch weight. So if this was a 250 gram batch, you would do 0.98 times 255 grams equals 250 grams, or 249.9, but we'll round up. I realise this isn't always possible to do on the fly. If you're in a hurry, you just want to get your weights worked out quickly, so we have created a batch calculator which is available to purchase. The link is in the description. There's a tab that shows you exactly how to use it, and then if you go here, you'll see that you can type in your desired ingredients so you know what they are. So we'll put in shea butter and sweet almond oil. Then if we go over here, we can input the weight in grams that we're using in our recipe. This is just a quick example. And you'll see that next to it, it shows the percentage in your formula. So at the bottom here you have your weight in grams and your percentage. If we want to add another ingredient, we can do that. So let's add some vitamin E, and then you'll see this changes all the numbers, but the weight in grams still equals your batch weight and your percentages will always equal 100. Then we can come over to doing percentage to grams. You can choose your desired batch weight. So if we put in some percentages here, just quickly, and then you'll see it gives you the weight in grams, and then you can choose your desired batch weight, which we'll enter here, and then it will change the weight in grams for you, so you know exactly how many grams for what percentage. And again at the bottom, percentage will always equal 100, and weight in grams will always equal your desired batch weight. So if you have your percentage formula and you want to know what the grams would be for each ingredient, then you can just take them straight from here and get making. And if you decide you want to change the batch size, just change the desired batch size column, and then all your other numbers will change as well. And as you see, percentage stays at 100 and weight in grams will be your total batch size. I hope this has been useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below.